Here we go. 2015 Leaf History of Baseball. Cut signature 2-box break right here. It's LCS 118 and 119. Here's the list of everybody on the break. Johnny, you're at the top of the list starting off. Cynthia O's down at the bottom copying the list. Pasting into random.org. Wishing everybody the best of luck. Sending it through 7 times. Here's number 1. That's right, 19 in the break. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lucky number 7. A lucky number 7. Who's got what letter? Is it going to be the letter that scores you something big? Johnny, you're at the top list. Nicole T's at the bottom. Is it going to score you something big, Johnny? I don't know. I'm sure there's a Hank Aaron out there. This is Cut Sigs. You can see, well, you probably need me to blow this up a little bit. So here we go. Sorry about that. Hey, here we go. Johnny, you got the letter A. Nicole T. B. You can see your letter right here. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. I got a Carl Yastrzemski in there. All right, Ted Williams. What do we have in this box? Just everybody with their letter, feel free to make a trade. What is going to be in this box? Huh? We're digging for treasure. And we've come up on this box break. It's a 2-boxer. Just get ready for the big hits. Good to see you, SD and Marfins and everybody here looking for something amazing. That's right. We got a 3-box break and the mystery. Top's finest football we're counting down in on, but oh my, very excited about some of these cut sigs. Looking to see who gets a cut sig in our 2-box break right now. This good luck, everybody. It is a cut sig. Who is it? What is it? Hank Aaron. Johnny. Wow. You know, we speculated about it could be a Hank Aaron. When we looked at this box break, we said it couldn't be a Hank Aaron. Oh, my gosh. 2015 Leaf Cut Sig. 2 of 40. A legend of the game. History of baseball. Hank Aaron. That's just a gem. That's a nice looking cut sig, you know. I mean, it's pretty nice. I like the look of this. Very high quality. Nice. Huh. That's strange. All right. Nice going, Johnny. That is a nice pull from Mr. Johnny, yes. What else is popping? What's up, Matt? Glad you can make it by, man. Good luck, everybody. Interesting rush. I don't know the details, but that is very interesting. Huh. Next hit out of the break is... Oh, my. It looks like a lemon. Yeah. Letter L owner, we think it's a lemon. That's Paul E. It's a Bob Lemon. That is a Bob Lemon. Well, most of the time when you say you pulled a lemon, it's a bad thing. But my friend, in this case, you have hit big. Paul E. This kind of lemon is what you're looking for. Sour hit. it's just good stuff coming out of these cut sigs. Wow. Very interesting that the Hank Aaron that we've all been talking about. In case you're tuning this onto the video, we're all talking about. Was it 1993 when he died? And is this accurate? There's some differing opinions about that, but anyway. That video is going off to YouTube, everybody, and it's definitely a very nice couple of boxes right here. Okay. All right. So Marvin says, hey, man, there's no opinions. These are facts. And